At the end, I'm going to show you if this cover still fits over this Blackstone grill. So watch all the way till the end. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be installing this griddle hood on my parents' Blackstone griddle. If you like this, I will have this down in my description. I do also have a video of me building the stand that I built for it. I'll put that video at the end of this video. And if you're new to my channel, it really helps me out to support this channel by hitting that subscribe button or just leaving me a comment down below, hitting that thumbs up button, and any of the links down in my description. That helps me out also. So let me get this opened up and I'll see what kind of tools we need. This should make this grill a lot nicer. Let's see what's in this box. I think this is the handle. Yes, handle. This must be the four screws and nuts. All right, I think this is all you're going to need to assemble this. I have a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and I do have a number 3. You might get away with a number 2. The number 3 is only for this handle because the screws are a number 3. And it's looking like a 5/16 will work for these little nuts. I have a wrench and I have my ratchet. I really think all I'm going to use is this wrench and this. And I just have a little tiny tube of Loctite. I'm going to put a little Loctite on them. All right, we're going to just pick this griddle off the top, set that aside, show you the back side here. You're going to see 2 little rivets right here, and then these 2 holes, these are the 2 holes we're going to be using. You don't have to worry about the rivets. The cover has, see the hinge has 2 big holes here. That'll go over them rivets, and then we'll put them other 2 little bolts in these holes. Might be easier though if you have help. I got my wife to help me because this is definitely easier with 2 people. I think you're going to have to hold this up here, babe. One. Let's try to figure it out. So, that's a lot easier. All right, that makes that a lot easier if you just get some help. I'm sure you could figure that out somehow. You had to do it by yourself, but if you just have one person hold that, you put 4 screws in. So now I'm gonna put my wrench on the inside and my number 2 on the outside and tighten them up. This is gonna be so nice. Should make cooking hamburgers easier. Like that. This other side. Seems to work easier to put the open end of the wrench on, not the boxed end. That's simple. Let's put the griddle back on. That. Oh, that's freaking slick. Look at that. Screws back out. And there. Something like this. Grab the screw. Put it there. 1, 2, take my number 3, tighten it up. Don't gotta get too crazy on this. This is a real light handle. This Blackstone grill, I'm gonna measure this and I'll tell you exactly what size my top is. It's 22.5 inches. Now I think they call this the 22-inch Blackstone grill. But if we want to measure yours just to make sure that this cover would fit, it is 22.5 inches. And this way I sure don't matter, but if you want to know, the griddle is 16.5 inches. Let me try this cover out, see if the cover will fit on still. which I'm pretty sure it's going to fit.
I think so. No? Yeah.
All right, I guess the cover does fit, but it fits a little tighter because of that handle. But you can still get it on there. You definitely don't have to worry about it blowing off, and it will keep that protected while you're camping or wherever you're at with this. So, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment down below. Let me know some places you go camping. I like to go camping here in Pennsylvania, so if you ever see me out there, say hi. Like I said in the beginning, hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless, and have an awesome summer camping.